In this video, we will show you how to sum a column in Google Sheets. To sum a column in Google Sheets, it's very easy. For example, in here, we have some data and we're creating a border. Okay, and this is just dummy data. You can type whatever you want. And this is the values, for example. Okay, let's creating this data and try to sum all of this data. I will make this data into center text, and this is for sum. Okay, and this is for average. Okay, just for example, to make some this column just with echo like this sum, you can see it will automatically create or there is suggestion from Google Sheet. You can see if there is right, you can just click the suggestion, and it's very easy. Okay, you can see the border orange here. Okay, it's mean the data from the P. If you think this is false, you can just select the values, okay, into A4, for example. You can see there is A and 4 in here. And after that, you can click enter or tab. And this is the right result. And to make sure this alright, you can double click and see the border of the yellow here or orange. Same with that to average. I will show another method. You can just click this, okay, function. All of function is here. You can get average here, and you can block manually like this. Okay, it's also very easy. You can just tap or enter if done. And this is the average result. Okay, to verifying your formula is right or not, you can just double click to see the formula, and you will see the active border here. It's mean the data is get from here. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to sum a column in Google Sheet. Hope this video helpful for you.